Today we'll learn how to find and read 9/16 of an inch on a ruler or tape measure. Let's look at a 1-inch section of a ruler. Here we have markings that divide the inch into sixteenths. The longest lines are quarter inches, the medium lines are eighths, and the shortest lines are sixteenths. To find 9/16, let's first locate the half-inch mark, which is 8/16. Then we'll count one more sixteenth mark to the right to reach 9/16. 9/16 falls between 1/2, which is 8/16, and 5/8, which is 10/16. Here's a helpful tip. To quickly find 9/16, first find the half-inch mark, then count one more mark to the right. This works because 9/16 is just 1/16 more than 1/2. Remember, when reading a ruler or tape measure, practice counting the marks between the whole inch numbers. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to quickly identify fractional measurements. So to find 9/16, first locate the half-inch mark, then count one more sixteenth mark to the right. With practice, you'll be able to find any fractional measure